We've just come down to the old helicopter field. They call it the helicopter field because they used to have a club down here every Sunday. They used to actually fly the helicopters here. But long time past, like everything else, because the kids used to come over here and fucking pester them and threaten them and all sorts of what kids do, I suppose, today. So yeah, we're just we're coming right down the very end. This is purely just a test flight to see if I remembered everything. Batteries, SIM card, phone, dog, me. Is that everything? Fucking good as. Come on. Right, we're going to make sure it goes on record. Not talking to me again, unless I got the volume down. No, the volume's up. Right, it's up there and it looks like it's recording. Go back to this camera. There's the mountain there, Timbalum. I'm hoping to climb that again tomorrow. Luke wants to come with me, so we might just fly that again. Let's take it up a bit more. Right, I've lost it. Camera's gone blank. Camera's just come back on. It's not moving at all. Whatever it is, it's not moving. Tap. Right, cancel, go home. Yes. Because it went blank, it said it's coming on. So a lot of flies around here. Must be me. They know I'm half dead. I was hoping for a train, but right, I'm gonna tap home, see what happens. This is the part I wanted to see. Wasn't bad. Right, let's try home again. should go up, which it is. And then it should come this way. So yeah, it's actually a bit closer this time, so let's cancel. I'm going to do an orbit now. Let's just make sure she's up out of the way of them pylons. Right, here goes, she's going up. She's going over there. Should stop about now. Okay, now you sent that this time, Rob. Okay, she stopped. Okay, the panic sets in as usual. She's over there, she is. I'm going to stop, but that looks... She is higher than the pylon, but I'd rather make sure. Right, she's cruising around now. She started moving around. Obviously this picture is too big. I don't know how to close that, so we're going to leave it. You can see it right. Right, she's facing forward. I've lost it now, but it's over there somewhere. Anyway. Ah, there it is. Yeah, she's going around slowly. I do believe it was the a rugby match over there today. We could have went over by there and hovered there, but I don't want to upset anybody. Not as if I wouldn't fly over the top of them, but you just don't want to. You just don't want to upset anybody doing this sort of crap. Alright, Troy, caught any rabbits? So I don't know where it is. There it is. It's over there. And that's going real slow on... We're going to have to cancel anyway because we're on 35%. That's going to start bleeping now in a minute. She bleeps on 30%. So we'll bring her home. Fucking aeroplane passing me. He's a lot higher than me, so don't worry about it. We're on 32%, you'll start bleeping. Right, I just pressed go home. I don't know where it is. You look up and you got 6,000 flies here, so you're not sure if you're looking at a fucking fly or a drone. So it should be. There it is, right above me. Yeah, it's coming again. That's 3 times we turn home, and fair dues, it came home. sweet? Wasn't that sweet? Okay, I gotta hope that recorded. Because it don't look like a fucking... Hello, did that just do that? I don't know. Let's get it home now. We'll see if it recorded. Right, we're gonna get home, charge everything up, because apparently I might just climb that mountain again tomorrow. It's a keep fit thing, isn't it, really? Can we climb the mountain again? Yes. What's that walk for? You at your paw or what? Or are you just walking funny? Yeah, then. Watching too many films, mate.